Right, VR will be 55 knots.
Cessna
Check is
20 Papa,
completed.
frequency change approved.
Yes, away.
Mr. 6 Tango Papa, cross runway 27 left in contact ground.
Alright.
Cross runway 27 left and contact ground 6 Tango Papa.
Cessna 8 Tango
First
Papa,
heading
runway
will be
27 right,
271 after takeoff.
27 right, Tango Bravo.
Bridge Lake Murray with Papa 1200 inbound for Safari North.
Chopper 8, report the positive traffic in the south pattern.
Chopper 8. Gillespie Tower, Cessna 237 Zulu, ready at 27 right for straight out departure.
Cessna 237 Zulu, Gillespie Tower, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27 right, Cessna 70 Zulu.
Chopper 8, traffic
Make
ahead and
sure
to your
taxi
left,
lights on.
2 miles,
Strobe lights on.
circling, helicopter,
Landing
altitude
lights on.
1,500.
Helicopters in sight. I'll maintain visual, Chopper 8.
Astro 2, traffic at your 12 o'clock, 2 miles, opposite direction, helicopter, altitude indicates 1,300.
Final clear, runway clear.
So far, negative contact, Astro 2.
Runway 27 right. Heading checked. Flying full power. Engine instruments checked. Airspeed live. 55 knots road
Cessna
aids.
19 Echo, make short approach, runway 27 left, clear touch and go.
Short approach off-road, runway 27 left, clear touch and go. Cessna 219 Echo.
Flaps up, make sure reach, power set, landing lights go off, taxi lights stay on, engine instruments checked. Tracking the
Cessna
runway.
7 Golf Foxtrot, number 2, follow Cessna on the short approach, runway 27 left, clear touch and go, make left traffic afterwards.
Number 2, 27 left, 27 Golf Foxtrot, clear touch and go.
Tower Astro 2 is clearing to the southwest. Switch up Montgomery.
Astro 2, roger.
Astro 1's clear to the south.
Astro 1, roger.
Request early frequency change. Cessna 73 Zulu.
Cessna 73 Zulu approved.
Can you please remind me the traffic pattern altitude?
290, you're fine right there, sir.
Thank you very much. Cessna 250.
290, number 2, follow a Cessna, mile and a half final, ahead to your right, report the Cessna in sight.
Number 2, we have traffic inside, Cessna 6590.
290, follow that Cessna, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 2372 Zulu, 1 mile east of Carl's Mountain at 1,900. Request westbound transition.
Direct line for the transition, say again, call sign. You were stepped on.
Cessna 2373 Zulu, sir.
2373 Zulu, thank you. Ident, transition approved, a mile north of the airport at above 2,000, altimeter 3009er.
Transition approved at or above 2,000, Cessna 73 Zulu.
Montgomery Tower, Cirrus 788 Juliet November is at 30 miles, 1,500, inbound to land with Foxtrot.
788 November, Montgomery Tower, squawk 0400, make left traffic, runway 28 left. Traffic at Cessna approaching Mount Soledad, turning northbound, altitude indicates 3,000 climbing.
Squawk 0400, make left traffic for runway 28 left and we'll watch out for the climbing traffic, Cirrus 788 Juliet November.
And Tower 750 echoes over the 15 inbound, would like to go to the numbers 23.
Copy 1 circle, Montgomery Tower, make straight into numbers 2-3.
Straight into numbers 23 for 7510 echo.
Time checklist.
Montgomery Tower, Skyline 811 Tango Whiskey, ready for IFR departure at 29 right.
Up to Cessna 811 Tango Whiskey, Montgomery Tower.
Flaps up, power set, engine instruments checked. Landing lights off, taxi lights up.
Helicopter 1 Jacko, proceed straight into runway 23. Numbers of 23, clear to land, remain north, runway 2 at right all times. That report on the go each time. Caution mowers, they'll be ahead to your right in the grass area.
Roger, we'll look out for those mowers, and we're headed straight to the numbers 2-3, and we'll report on the go each time for helicopter 10 go.
State Lima November, turn left at Golf, cross runway 2 at left and contact ground.
Crossing 28 left, then take around 8 Lima November.
1 Tango Whiskey, taxi up to the hold bars, hold short runway 28 right.
Hold short 28 right, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Montgomery Tower, say again.
Montgomery Tower, police 1 mile south, Qualcomm Stadium, 1,500 with Foxtrot inbound for police operations landing.
Police 1 Montgomery Tower, land at your own risk, use caution with 260 at 8. Traffic is serious, 12 o'clock, 2 miles left downwind landing.
Police 1 traffic inside.
Just toward Lima, traffic to your right, a helicopter, opposite direction, land at police ops, runway 28 left, clear touch and go.
Can we make that a full stop and traffic inside 174 Delta Lima?
Just toward Lima, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 left, 174 Delta Lima. Montgomery Tower, Astrea 1.
Astrea 1, Montgomery Tower.
Astrea 1 making our way westbound on the vector flight I called about earlier. We're at Lake Murray, 1,400 via Foxtrot.
Astrea 1, Roger, you want to pass south or north of the airport or overhead? Just let me know.
Let's go south of the airport for now, and we'll stay listening up for the ILS.
Astrea 1, Roger, remain south the extended turn line if you can as you proceed westbound on Timber 3009er.
Astrea 1, let's stay north for now if we could.
Okay, you want to go north of the airport, stand by. System 1 Tango Whiskey, runway 28 right, line up.
Nice weather today. Really nice, very smooth. I expected more turbulence.
And Astrea 1, you want to go north, that's fine. Proceed north, remain north of 28 right and 28 left at all times, if you're able.
Making our way westbound and staying north of the extended center line 28, Astrea 1.
Just 290, turn left there at Golf. Expedite, cross 28 left without delay, then contact ground. Traffic 3/4 mile final is Cirrus. No delay across the runway. 290, cross 28 left without delay and contact ground. Traffic half mile final, acknowledge.
290, cross 28 left.
It's 1 Tango Whiskey, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
28 right, clear for takeoff, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Search 8 November, number 2, following a Cirrus short final, runway 28 left, clear to land. Search 8 November, number 2, follow a Cirrus short final, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear left to land, 8 November.
Montgomery Tower, Cherokee 401 Tango, 3,500, 2 miles east of Mount Soledad, inbound with Foxtrot.
401 Tango, Montgomery Tower, squawk 0400, make left traffic, runway 28 left. Follow a Cirrus, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, close in, altitude indicates 1,600.
Make left traffic, 28 left, squawk 0400, and looking for the Cirrus, 01 Tango.
Here's 4 Delta Lima, contact ground, we'll see you.
There's Cirrus, Yankee, hold on, Charlie, right down.
2 Colonel 1, Cirrus 4 Delta Lima, we'll see you.
Alright, traffic inside, climbing from the runway at
Whiskey traffic ahead to your left, opposite direction to Cirrus,
really low.
indicates 1,600.
Looking for traffic, I want to go.
He's going to cross below us.
Roger. Departing.
Inside 8 November, 8 November, request short approach for 28 left.
What's our next point? Our next point will be Mount Soledad. Roger. When will we be there?
11 o'clock, 1 mile.
We should be there in approximately
Tango, clear to land following the
2
Cirrus.
minutes. Roger.
For clear to land 28 left, 01 Tango.
1 Tango Whiskey, traffic no factor, contact SoCal departure.
11906, 11 Tango Whiskey.
There'll be that climb here. Don't want that. And here I want you to let me know when we are beam Del Mar. Okay. Clear right. Gonna start a descent to 3,000 feet.
Set
Diego Coastal, Cessna 237 Zulu, beam Delmar, turning east and descending from 4,500 to 3,000 San Diego Coastal.
San Diego East, Malibu 4363, Quebec is just east of Gillespie Field, 3,500 climbing, and we're going to be heading out over Borrego. We'll be climbing up to about 95.
Hope you have oxygen.
Huh? Yeah, we're pressurized. We're happy in here.
That's what the 737 crew said.
Load level off here.
Hey Dave, what altitude do you usually cruise that thing at?
I like to fly at 16.5, 17.5, but IFR-wise, I'll take it up to 22, 23.
It got 6 seats?
Yeah, but it's not a true six-seater.
5?
Yeah, if they're lightweight. The nice thing about this plane, though, is you can go to Lena Peak, Continental, so when you get to altitude, you're burning 16 gallons an hour when you're 50 degrees Lena Peak.
Yeah, what's the speed?
On this thing, I'm probably doing about 190, 195.
Oh, okay.
True. It's a good flying airplane, though. It's nice and solid.
Trying to figure out what to take up to Oregon next week.
This was a 210.